I haven't done heatless curls in forever, but they're working their magic. I need to get back on that train. Anyways, I'm trying to find a rubber band, and that is literally your sign that you need to get cleaning the house because there's probably like 10 just laying around in a random corner. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I just have some cleaning I got to get done, and I don't know why I keep doing that, but let me let it down. So I'm going to focus here on the kitchen first. There's not that much, so this is going to be really easy, so I just want to get it done first. And then I need to focus on just like picking up because there's like so many dirty socks in like random corners of this house. So
hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and
okay, so I don't know about you guys, but after a hot shower, my bathroom turned into a mini rainforest, and it is not fun to get ready, especially when you're doing your makeup and hair. Like your hair wants to fall out, it's so humid, and your makeup's like starting to sweat and like melt off your face. That's exactly how I was feeling before I found a little secret, a game changer in keeping things nice and comfortable and fresh around here. So here it is. Say hello to my dear cube. And yes, this is my new favorite gadget. It's not just a dehumidifier. It's got a unique extendable design. When you need to handle more moisture, you just lift and twist, giving it triple capacity of most other dehumidifiers. So I'm not constantly just emptying out this bucket. Also, when it's not in use, it's easy to fold up and put away. Okay, so I have the 50 pint model with the built-in pump, which is perfect for large spaces like my bathroom or any room up to 4,500 square feet. Plus, my dear has a few other sizes if you're looking for something smaller and without a pump. And I keep mine here in the bathroom since it's always the most humid spot here in the house, but honestly, it would work just as well in a basement, bedroom, or any other space where moisture likes to linger. So here's the control panel where you could adjust as needed from low to high to max speed, and it shows you the fill level with a 24-hour timer and an auto restart for power outages and auto defrost to prevent freezing. And yes, it's super quiet. I don't even notice it running. And also, my dear cube is Wi-Fi enabled. I can control it right from my phone anywhere using my smart home app. So if I'm feeling extra lazy, I can turn it on in bed, on my couch, anywhere I feel like. And it's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistants too. So I can just tell it what to do, and it makes my life so easy. And look at this, after just a bit of time of it running, you can see all of the water it's already collected. Amazing, right? And if you're like me and not a fan of emptying the water tank, it has this connection drain option. Just set it up to the drain directly, no fuss, no mess, and it goes into any drain or sink that you might want to flush that away in. It's just working hard, so I don't have to worry about mold, mildew, or any of that annoying damp smell. And that is my secret to keeping the humidity in check, especially after my morning showers. If you're dealing with this or any kind of moisture issues, I highly recommend checking out My Dear Cube. It's been a lifesaver. Links are in the description box down below if you're interested. Alright, so I'm gonna just quickly go to the boys' room and collect all of their dirty clothes that I know is in the bathroom and on the floor. Okay guys, so here's like where I was talking about the laundry. I don't even know, like I thought this stuff was clean, but now I'm see dirty stuff that's there. And then we have this section over here. It's like toys, but also a bunch of dirty clothes. So we're gonna sort all this out. I'm gonna put it like over here though, this way, so that way it's not so cramped. Okay, so now we are in my room. This room needs some help. Let's get done.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.